Hello everyone, this is Georgie. Today I'll be doing a tutorial for transformations. Now, what is a transformation in math? A transformation is a general term for four specific ways to manipulate the shape and/or position of a point, a line, or geometric figure. The original shape of the object is called the image, and the final shape and position of the object is the image. Now let's move on to the question. For this you'll need a grid paper, a ruler, a pencil, and an eraser just in case you make any mistakes. For this question, we will be doing two transformations in a row. The first is reflection and the second is enlargement. As you can see, the shape in the picture has 7 points. Also, for transformations, it's important to label the points. As for me, I labeled these points from A to G. And in transformations, it's important to know which is the x-axis and the y-axis. The x-axis is the horizontal line and the y-axis is the vertical line. And now, I will show you how to do the reflection and enlargement. For the first step, we will be doing reflection. The mirror line is on y equals -1. The y-axis is this one. So -1 on y is there. Then we draw the mirror line on y -1 with a ruler. Since this is a reflection, the image should be like an exact copy of the object, except it's flipped. Like this line, it uses up 6 squares. Hence, it should also be 6 squares on the other side of the mirror line. And this one uses up 2 squares, so it also should be 2 squares on the bottom. This one is also 2 squares. Another 2 square line. And another. And the final 2 square line. Then we finish off the image with a diagonal line that connects the 2 points. Here I'm labeling the image with the reflected letters. And now we're done with the reflection. Now we're moving on to enlargement. The scale factor is 2, and center point is on -3, -7. -3 is for the x-axis, and -7 is for the y-axis. Hence, the center point should be there. Since the scale factor is 2, that means everything must be twice as bigger. So if this line takes up 2 squares, then the image should take up 4 squares because it's multiplied by 2. And if this one takes up 6 squares, then the image should take up 12 squares because 6 times 2 equals 12. This one also takes up 4 squares because the object has 2 squares. This one is also 4 squares. This one as well. This final one as well. And now we can connect the 2 points with a diagonal line. Since the image overlaps, I'll be redrawing it so you can see it better. And the enlarged image should look like this. For the conclusion, I will give you some tips. For transformation, it is very important for you to be very careful with your drawings. You should always cross-check your results, just to make sure whether it's correct or not. And I recommend not rushing when you're doing a transformation, because if you rush, you won't be careful. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope this helped. Thank you for watching and God bless you.